Hey guys, my name is Dustin.
And my name's Jake.
Today we're going to go over this Lexus Dash and show you how our DashSkin dash cover works and fits and looks amazing once it's installed.
Let's get right into it, guys.
All right, Jake, you want to go ahead and point out some of the common issues that go on with these OEM dashes?
Yeah, sure. Some of the common spots are mainly two, really, is a lot of cracking happening really all over the dash because it's a vinyl material. And then just like in this little spot over here, there's a chip or a peeling spot of the airbag area, or just in general the vinyl.
We're going to go ahead and put this one on and demonstrate what it looks like installed. Wow, this turned out amazing. This looks like a way better idea than just replacing your dash.
Oh, definitely. I mean, you're going to spend probably half a day to a full day taking the old dash out, putting a new dash in, when you could do the whole install of a DashSkin for only about an hour and a half.
Wow, even the color and texture is spot on this.
Oh yeah, you got a perfect color match between the two. And then one thing to notice, just in case if the airbag opening happens to be a little bit faded, you can check out one of our aerosol spray paints and then just touch up this whole area. You can even cover up one of these chipped spots as well.
I know some of the models do have like a speaker right here in the dash. Do you have an option for that as well?
Yeah, we do carry that option as well. It's going to be a perforation section right there, so you're going to have basically drilled in holes in that area to still allow the sound to be able to come in and out super clear.
Okay, and then also I noticed that the airbag portion right here is not covered. Is there a reason for that?
Yeah, so we actually don't cover and don't recommend covering the airbag area just because of the deployment of the airbag coming out of there at like 300 or so miles an hour.
Okay.
You put a hard surface there, it's going to blast on the backside and just turn it into plastic shreds. And hey,
Yeah.
I don't know about you, man. I don't want that in me.
And then what about warranty-wise? Like if there's anything that ever happens to the cover, in the future?
Yeah, of course. Honestly, we have a lifetime warranty on it against any cracking or warping or anything along those lines. You just got to contact us and we'll get you taken care of.
Awesome. And where are they made at?
Made right here in the USA. Always will be.
That's awesome. Man, you guys got to check out DashSkin. Go to dashskin.com.